Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that can truly transform your relationship with food, mindful eating and portion control. So, let's dive right in. Mindful eating is all about being present in the moment while you're eating. It's about paying attention to the flavors, textures, and smells of your food, and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. When you eat mindfully, you take the time to truly enjoy your food, which can lead to better satisfaction and portion control. Portion control, on the other hand, is about understanding how much food your body needs. It's not about depriving yourself, but rather about eating balanced amounts of whole grains, proteins, fruits, and vegetables. Now, let's look at some tips on how to practice mindful eating and portion control. Tip 1. Start with smaller portions. It's easier to add more food if you're still hungry than to take food away once it's on your plate. Tip 2. Eat slowly. It takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register that you're full. So, take your time, chew thoroughly, and enjoy your meal. Tip 3. Listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied, not when you're full. Remember, mindful eating and portion control are not about dieting or deprivation. They're about enjoying your food and nourishing your body. That's all for today's video. We hope these tips help you in your journey towards mindful eating and portion control. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.